Morning friends, in this video we discuss about the power in AC circuits. Okay, the basic formula of power we know that for DC circuit is given by three formulas. P is equals to I into V, V square upon R, I square into R. Okay, here we will derive the expression for power as applied in AC circuits. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले अपन वोल्टेजेस और करंट्स की इक्वेशन लिख लेंगे. इक्वेशन ऑफ वोल्टेज V0 sin ओमेगा t, इक्वेशन ऑफ करंट I0 sin ओमेगा t minus phi. Okay, what is this phi? Phi is the phase difference between voltage and current. अब आप बोलोगे सर क्या माइनस फाई लिखना जरूरी है? नो, यू कैन राइट प्लस फाई ऑल्सो, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम रिजल्ट्स. फिर आप बोलोगे कि सर करंट इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड, क्या इस फाई को हम करंट से हटा के वोल्टेज की इक्वेशन में ला सकते हैं? यस, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. देयर इज नो हार्म, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द एग्जैक्ट सेम रिजल्ट्स. बट बिकॉज currents and voltages are time dependent, we cannot find the power directly. We have to use the we have to take the shelter of calculus. तो calculus के basis पे हमें यहाँ पे power find करनी है. Okay, so first we find the instantaneous power and then by integrating instantaneous power we will find the average power. Okay, so what is instantaneous power? Basically it is I into V, and by the notion of differential calculus we also know that instantaneous power is equals to dW by dt, that is rate of change of work done or the rate of energy dissipation. Okay, so dW by dt is equals to I into V. What I have done? I have written the equations of V and the equations of I. In the next step, sin omega t minus phi, you have to expand it as sin omega t cos phi minus cos omega t sin phi. Right? Very simple. Okay, now in the next step, see I0 V0 and multiplied by this, I0 V0 sin omega t multiplied by this. So I0 V0 cos phi will be written here and sin omega t into sin omega t will make up sin square omega t. Now multiplying this with the second term I0 V0 sin phi cos omega t and sin omega t. Okay, now see here some mathematics is done in the second part. In the second part, see this is cos omega t, this is sin omega t. What I have done here is I have multiplied this by 2 and divided this by 2. 2 से multiply करा, 2 से divide किया. क्यों किया? Because see 2 cos omega t into sin omega t will make this sin 2 omega t. ठीक है ना? sin 2 theta का expansion क्या होता है? sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta dot cos theta. So I have just taken the reverse of that. 2 sin omega t into cos omega t is equals to sin 2 omega t. Sin phi as it is and V0 I0 upon 2 is here. And one more thing I am doing, this was dW over dt. So I have transposed dt from here to this, because अब मुझे क्या करना है? अब मुझे टोटल वर्क डन फाइंड करने के लिए इंटीग्रेशन करना है. इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट? विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप total work is I am calculating the total work for one complete cycle, that is from time 0 to t of dW. Okay, now integration of this is done separately and integration of the second term is done separately. In the first term I0 is constant, V0 is constant, cos phi is constant, and integration will be done only for sin square omega t. Okay, integration only for sin square omega t minus, again see V0 I0 2 and sin phi, they are constants, so they have been out of the integration and integration is done only for sin 2 omega t dot dt. Okay, now when you carry out the integration of sin square omega t with respect to time, okay, this integration is done with respect to time dt. Right? What is the result of this integration? It is t by 2. Okay, and what is the result of this integration? It is 0. अब आप बोलोगे सर ये इंटीग्रेशन आपने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया, can we also write in the exam directly? Yes, you can write these integrations directly. No need to solve, because derivation आप अगर देखेंगे तो derivation already इतना बड़ा है. And now if you still want to integrate this and you want to write down these results directly, you can write. If you want to solve this and then write that this is t by 2 and this is 0, then also you can do this. Okay, but nobody is going to cut your marks when you directly write the results. So this will be t by 2 and this is 0. So second term in this derivation becomes equals to 0. उसको छोड़ दिया हमने. Okay, this 2 is brought outside. 2 को मैंने नीचे लिख दिया, लेकिन 2 को कैसे लिखा है? root 2 into root 2. What is root 2 into root 2? This will give you 2. Okay, and this is t cos phi. Right, this is expression of work done. Now finding the power. Power is equals to work done over time taken. So ये जो भी work done की expression आई है, I am going to divide it with time. So when I divide this by time, what happens? This t, this will cancel out, and what remains? I0 by root 2, V0 by root 2 into cos phi. What is this? This is the RMS value of current. What is this? This is the RMS value of voltage, and cos phi is as it is. ठीक है, तो अब आपके पास में इक्वेशन आ गई है. This is the final equation for power in AC circuits, right? This is the expression for power in AC circuits. All right, इस पावर को हम कहां यूज कर सकते हैं? जहां भी किसी भी AC सर्किट में अगर आपको पावर फॉर वन कंप्लीट साइकिल पूछी जाए, you can directly apply this formula. Now we are going to apply this formula for some electric circuits. जैसे आपका पहला सर्किट जो होता है, that is pure resistive circuit. In pure resistive circuit, what is value of phi? It is 0. So if phi is 0, cos phi will be equal to 1, and therefore power will be equal to only this IRMS VRMS. In a pure capacitive circuit, what is the phase difference between current and voltage? It is 90 degrees, and cos 90 is 0, so power is also 0. In an inductor, again, what is phi? 90. So what is power? It is again 0. Now what happens in an LCR circuit? Suppose करें कि अगर LCR सर्किट में करंट और वोल्टेज के बीच का फेज डिफरेंस फाई है, चाहे प्लस फाई हो या माइनस फाई हो. I told you, इसको प्लस फाई या माइनस फाई आप कुछ भी लेते हो, it does not matter. Why? Because in the last result, phi is appearing only in positive terms. Okay, so for an LCR circuit, the power is simply given as this formula. Same formula है, जो भी phi की वैल्यू आती है, you put it over here and you will get the instantaneous power. Now when this LCR circuit is at resonance, you know, again at resonance, the value of phi is equals to 0 and the power will be IRMS into VRMS.